How to fix microphone not working on Mondly. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can fix your microphone not working on Mondly. So if you logged in into your Mondly app and then you realize that your microphone is not working, it is very simple. The first thing to do is to move to the top left corner of the screen and then click on your profile icon. After clicking on your profile icon, you'll be taken to the settings page. So on this page, you can see a list of settings. So the next thing that you should do is to ensure that the speech recognition feature is enabled. Now, how do you do so? On this page, you can see some options like learning reminders, sound effects, auto play voice. All right. So you can see that mine is turned on automatically. So since it's turned on, that means that my microphone would also be functioning. So if yours is turned off, ensure you click on it to turn it on. All right. Another thing you can try is to turn on the sound effects, but that shouldn't be a major issue. And just ensure that autoplay voice is enabled. All right. And then once that is enabled, you can now go ahead and try it out again. It should start working by now. But if it's still not working, another thing you can try is by clearing your Mondly cache. All right. Just go to your settings page. Okay, and then on the settings page, locate your app management and then app list. And then on the app list, click on the search application box. And then just go ahead and type out Mondly and allow it to search and bring it out. Okay. Once you can find it, just go ahead and click on it. Mondly languages. And then you can see storage and cache, select it. Then you can just click on clear cache and then you can now go ahead and restart the application. By now, your microphone should start working. So this is how you can fix microphone not working on Mondly. Thanks for watching and have a good day.